there. So let us start with this topic of Module 3. In this topic, we're gonna build our own app. So we're gonna do it by using the MIT App Inventor. So to do this, we're gonna control our home appliances. So we will be doing this by MIT App Inventor. So we're gonna control basically our home appliances in this project, but you could do n number of apps through MIT. So let's open and start with MIT. So first of all, we'll open our window and we'll write MIT App Inventor and we're gonna search it. After this, we'll get over here MIT App Inventor. We'll click on it and we are gonna write here Create Apps. Click on the Create Apps and after that, you will be redirected to your email ID. As I was previously logged in, so it hadn't told me the email ID. But when you do this, you're gonna redirect it to the email ID. These over here are the projects that you have previously made on MIT. But over here, we'll start a new project. We will give a name web server LED, but it's showing wrong. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a underscore or remove the spaces by any other thing and it's done. So now it is created and it will automatically open. So it has automatically opened over here and now you find that there is a screen and this is what whatever we do over here is the same as what we're gonna get in our mobile screen. And over here we have the buttons, the checkbox, different types of labels and many other things and lots of things like layout, and then we have sensors, we have storage, we have connectivity. We're going to use a few of these. We're going to use first of all layout. Layout means in which way you're going to arrange it. So I'm going to arrange it in a horizontal way, so I'm using a horizontal layout. And then again I will come to the user interface and I'm going to select the button over here, right? And then I'm gonna have two buttons, so I will press two buttons over here. The first button name, see over here, whatever you change right over here is the backend part, and whatever you change right in this column is the front end part. So first of all, I will change the name in the front end part as first name is on. So you could see that the name has changed to on. And again I will select the next button and I'm gonna change the name as off. So here it is done and we have changed the name off. But how we gonna understand in the backend? So we're gonna rename it as on, the button 1 is on, and we're gonna rename the button 2 as off. So rename it as off. So here we go, done. So this was the buttons. Now how we gonna connect it? We gonna connect this through the connectivity, that is our connectivity is web. So we're gonna put it over here. It's a non-visible component, so it will be shown right below the device, that is web 1. It's a non-visible, so it's done in the front end part. Now we will come in the backend part where here it is written blocks, will come in the blocks, and here it is, it's blank. So we're gonna code it. So what we're gonna do, when button 1 is clicked, see when on is clicked, what we're gonna do, we're gonna send the data. That means set web1 URL. You're gonna find here set web1 URL to what? To a text. We're gonna go to the text and over here we find this text box. We put over here, and what we need to write over here? We need to write the same thing, the same URL address what we had used while we were doing the code. So let us first upload it. We upload this code to our board. So here we press upload. Let's wait until it gets uploaded so that we could find what URL we're gonna paste over there so that it works as per our requirement. So we're gonna wait a few seconds more, and I believe it will be done now. And it's done. So now we'll open the serial monitor. We'll wait, and here it is connected. The device gets connected over here. We'll copy this and we'll paste it. We'll open a new tab and we'll paste this. Control V. Yeah, done. Once you paste it, just check it out that the phone hotspot is connected with the laptop or not. If it's done, then you press enter and you will find the two buttons over here. When we press the on button, this is the URL, what we're gonna copy. We're gonna copy this, Control C, and then we're gonna paste this when this denotes what we're gonna get and when on is pressed. Now, similarly, we're gonna duplicate it right here. We're gonna right click and press duplicate and put it on off. When button is off, is clicked, then what we're gonna send over here, we will just find it out right here only in the next, and we'll press off and we're gonna get this. So we'll copy this once again and we're gonna put the same over here, and it's done. So here we built our own app. Now how to get it on our phone? This becomes a good question. So before this, you connect to the internet. So we're gonna come to the designer part, and over here you will find connect and build. So these are the two. If you want a APK to be shared in the phone, you just put this option, add APK QR. So after doing this, you're gonna download the MIT App Inventor in a mobile phone, that is the AI2 companion. You're gonna download this. So let me tell you how. So this is the QR code that you're gonna see. We're gonna scan this QR code through our AI2 companion. So first of all, let us download the AI2 companion. So now we're gonna download this. We're gonna go to Play Store, and then what we're gonna write MIT, sorry, it's MIT App Inventor. Let me connect to the internet first, and then when I search MIT App Inventor, what I get is this. I have already downloaded, so it's showing me open, and then I open this, and after I open this, continue without Wi-Fi, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna scan QR code, and we will put it on the scan part over here, just will scan it on the laptop screen, and we got it, and after a few seconds it will automatically get downloaded. Here it's getting the procedure and download the APK. Done over here. So once it gets downloaded, you will find install, you will install it. Once it is installed, you will open this and you'll find two buttons over here. When you press on, the board gets on. When you press off, it gets off. You could see it. When you press on, it gets on, and when you press off, it gets off. So with this, we have successfully created an app. So thank you for this video.